All right, y'all, we right here visiting the 62, man. Right here with the body, man. He's getting the passenger side done. He's gotta get the skirt fitment. Had a little weld patch that we needed to do. Most of this is all done. This side's all done. He just needs that final wet sand. Really got the skirt fitment on that good. But we are here today because we're gonna do some trunk hinge upgrades. This thing keeps getting stuck, man. I already put new hinges on, and those just bent again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go with these CVF hinges, man. So check these out. Something new. CVF Racing hinges. I saw these online, so I'm gonna try them out, see how they look. But first things first, we gotta take out this trunk, man. Gotta take out that trunk. And what else? Take off the trunk, hinges, the torsion bars, and yeah, man. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned with us. Well, the inside's already red oxide primer. Just need to get cleaned up. The tunnel's ready for the T56 tranny. We just need to get this side. Le da, Mike, que nomás falta este lado. Este lado. I'm having problems trying to take out that pin on that trunk. The other one already got it out. This side's already done. The whole driver's side's already done. He just needs that final wet sand, ¿verdad, Mike? Yeah. Final wet sand before paint. A little block here and there. But let's get back into it, man. Let's get that pin in so we could put those new trunk hinges in there. Got all the rust repaired. Sheet metal already worked. Working on the fenders. Painters. The primer's dry. Tacos de polvo for breakfast. The hood's already ready. Needs that final wet sand. He still needs to do both fenders. But bear with me for the mess here. y'all, but we're at the painter's shop, man. So this is what we're gonna install. These are the trunk hinges we're gonna install. We ended up taking all the factory one with the torsion bars, like I said. We're gonna assemble these, put them on so we can adjust the trunk, have everything working. But this is the quality of work from CVF, man. I found these online on eBay. I think I got them, but they have a bunch of other hinges for other vehicles, but I wanted something different, so we're gonna put these together, man. So this is it, man. Stay tuned with us. Check it out. Check it out. 62 SS, man. I got the frame already built out. If y'all want to see the whole frame LS swap, is on my page, man. It's already done. It's a T56 with the LS1 from a 99 Camaro, all stock. But check it out. The hinges are installed. I just need to adjust the cam a little more. So pretty much you adjust, either turn it this way or turn it the other way, both of them, and then you tighten it. And then there's another adjustment down in here, but it's a 3/16. According to this, it's a 3/16 ball and hex key. And I brought the metric and standard, and that's the one I'm missing. So the painter's back there seeing if he can find me one. But it's on there, man. It goes down nice and smooth. So this body line is good. I just need to adjust the one inside with the 3/16 that I'm missing. You see how it's a little high right here. So this little gap, once I put the weather stripping, it should pop it out. So we just need to adjust that a little more. Adjust this one, and you see how high it is over here. So we gotta play with the adjustments, yeah. So, but I do like it. I do like it. Holds up nice and tight. It's nice and clear. Look at that. There's no torsion bars under there. There's gonna be less things in there. This is a Zolatone, the whole trunk. I already got that etch primer in there. Red oxide primer, all on the bottom, all under the belly. It's already ready. You just finishing off this side. Then he's gotta not modify, but just fix the wheel well for the skirts. We got the skirts right here. This one's already done too. Already primered. Foxcraft. AC car. 62 Super Sport AC car, man. You see it. It's that sand silver. Easy eye, electric windows, Super Sport AC car. Accessory 19. I still don't know what that is. If anybody in the comments, let me know what accessory 19 is, man. I have not found what accessory 19 is. But yeah, y'all want to see, like I said, the whole build, it's a long build. Like I said, I have multiple projects. The frame is already done. It's powder coated. Rear 4-wheel disc brakes, LS1 T56. It's in one of the videos, man. I'll put the link up here, but if you guys are interested more, man, check it out. Thanks for watching.